how to go from zero to first $1,000 per day, per week, or per month with affiliate marketing, promoting different digital and physical products online. As you can see over here, here are some of the commissions for this week with affiliate marketing, right? Here are the payouts, commissions, as you can see over here. And the thing about this is that you have to understand what niche you are going into, what product or offer you are going to pick, right? And what kind of audience or traffic source you are going to use. Traffic source is basically Google Ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So you have many different sources of traffic. So let me show you in this video exactly step by step what to do. And if you find out that you have heard new things that you haven't heard on other YouTube channels, then please comment below this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. So let's go straight into it so I can show you exactly what we are doing. Okay, so as you can see over here, I open creating campaign plans. So what does it mean? When I run Google Ads, right, I will deploy my budget. Have you heard about it? Deploying budget. I haven't heard anyone of the gurus talking about these kind of things in YouTube videos, right? Especially for free. So as you can see over here, what I would do, let's say for magic number $10,000. Let's say I have $10,000 for Google Ads to spend as my ad budget, right? As my marketing budget. So what I would personally do, I would test with 20% of the money of the $10,000. So basically, I won't spend all $10,000 in one day on one ad. Of course, it doesn't work like that. So what is my magic formula? It's like I'm showing my clients, exactly do this. Spend 20% of your ad budget, right? In this case, $10,000 US, 20% for testing. So what does it mean testing? Testing means test out the text, headline, image, for example, right? If you're running different ads, try two things, two headlines, right? You test with $2,000, for example, if you have 10,000. If you have only 100 euros, you do only with 20 euros, for example, right? So in this case, $2,000 on testing. In this case, you will get a lot of data. You will get lots of different data. You will maybe make your money back, break even, make a little bit of profit. But in the next 20%, we will verify. So we will see exactly like, okay, we have tested this headline. Okay, now we have winning headline. We will use it in the verification process, right? With 20% of the ad budget. The third step is optimize. Now we have tested headlines. We know the audience. We know the verification model, right? And now we have to optimize. So optimize with another 20%. And at the end, we scale up, right? When we see, okay, now we have made, let's say, 5,000 or 6,000 euros or dollars back. We have made a profit. Okay, now we have a winner. So with 40% that is left, it means $4,000, right? We already spent $6,000. So with the rest of $4,000, we scale this campaign. So with scaling means you go higher and higher to get proper results, to make higher return on investment, basically return on ad spend with, in this case, Google pay-per-click, Google search network, right? So this is my magic formula, and this is what I'm personally doing. So if you were to work with someone one-on-one personally, then you will do exactly this. Test, verify, optimize, and scale. Now, of course, you don't have to invest $10,000 if you are not having this kind of budget. You can start with smaller budget, $20 per day, doesn't matter, right? But important thing to remember is this: test, verify, optimize, scale. This is the magic formula that you should follow if you want to get long-term results with affiliate marketing. Now, another thing is, like I mentioned in other videos, targeting options, right? I always start out with buyers keywords and scale with topic keywords. Again, this is another thing that we are doing together when we work one-on-one. So this is exactly what I'm showing you how to do with the buyers keywords, and then scale higher with the topic keywords. So two different things, right? Another thing is attention, interest, desire, action. So this is when I'm reviewing, for example, landing page or blog style page, right? The first section gets attention. So it's really important to have this dialed in. If you don't have this, you can buy any course from ClickBank Gurus and you will never get results, because if you don't understand this, if you don't have someone to show you how to do it step by step, then you will not be able to put it into action, because at some point it's going to fail, right? You will fail at some point. So you must understand this, right? It's worth to invest some time and a little bit of money at least in someone to show you and guide you through step by step. So the next step, the second step, is the next section, focus on what will keep the interest, which is basically relevant problems. And third step is what's going to make them desire your offer. And the last one, of course, is action, call to action, buy now, urgency, different buttons, right, with different colors. So it's really important to have this dialed in. You cannot copy and paste this kind of stuff. You can try, but eventually you're going to lose lots of money and time finding out that it doesn't work. So you have to have someone, again, to show you how to do it step by step along the way, so that you have the right strategy and methodology in place to sustainably, long-term, produce results online. Now, another thing over here is what to do next. So what you can do next is click the link below this video. If you have any questions, right, ClickBank, online marketing, direct response, affiliate marketing, just click the links below this video, reach out to me, right? And I will show you different affiliate networks where you can make great money, right? You can start from zero to your first €1,000 or $10,000 in a month with affiliate marketing, right? You just need good traffic source, as you said before, great niche, evergreen niche, where people are already handing the money hand over fist every single day. So you don't have to change any beliefs, you don't have to persuade anyone. You just go where is the flow, right? When the river flows, you just position yourself in the river, right? You just jump in the river and the river will go to the flow. So you don't have to go against the flow, against the current. Let's go with the current, right? So that way you can make money. You position yourself where already people are spending money, so they just buy eventually, right? So if you have any more questions, if you want to work with me or anyone one-on-one, just click the link below this video, email me, send me the message. You can also reach me out here. Let me show you. So you can reach out to me as well on my Instagram over here. So if you have any questions, just click the link below this video, as you can see over here, right? And if it's regarding affiliate marketing, making money online, passive income, let's say any other network out there, right? Just click the link below this video, reach out to me if you are serious. If you're serious and you have some money to invest on the side, then yes, let's get started and let's get you some results.